6 buckets of Christmas.
Yeah, 6.
Okay, so I'm gonna talk about this beer holder. So like whenever workers are, you could just boop, done.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
This is a sticker.
What's it say?
Trade Pro Day.
Next is
It's in the bucket.
this thingy-majiggy. It is a Gearwrencher for. No, I'm not gonna read you guys all that.
Okay, so this one is.
It's a Ohio power tool sticker.
It's a Ohio power tool sticker.
Okay, put it in there. This is a shirt, and
Okay.
oh, this is big. This is what it looks like. If you guys could see, I can't.
This is a shirt.
Now our last shirt.
Okay, there.
Hey, this is the tool I got last time, the gear wrench.
This is a gear wrench, I guess.
Yep, that's a gear wrench.
This is a gear wrench, and
I'm guessing that's
It
our
has-
favorite product.
it has all the tools in here.
Now we have some sunglasses.
Oh, I think I got a paper cut from. I need a plastic cut. So, okay. Okay, so this is a
sticker. Next is a hat.
She's a power tool hat. She's a sassy girl. Okay.
Oh! Why? Every time.
Now
Don't take all the stickers. Okay. What is this? I don't know. Oh, a mask, and it only shows your nose and your eyes. So this is a gear wrench again. Wink, wink.
It's crazy. This is heavy.
I'll help you.
This is
What is gear wrench again? I told you this is like the topic today. Metwick Mechicans tool set. It's a tool set. We nailed that. It's a stool. Okay, so now, oh my gosh, our things are gone. Well, except that. Oh, the stool.